Hey everyone, this is Jay from St. Pete, Florida, and just want to come at you and tell you about some free weight loss tips, some things that have helped me. One of the things that's really helped me recently is jumping rope. I know it's kind of difficult to do, maybe not everyone can do it, but I mean, if you can get cleared by your doctor to do it, I mean, it's wonderful to lose weight, especially in your belly. I used to do it a lot when I played basketball, but now I'm in my 40s. I got a kid. I'm married. High stress and everything. So just trying to get back into it to lose a little bit of weight. So that's definitely helped me. One of the things that's helped me for weight loss. Also, another thing that's helped me is I found a program that actually works for me around my schedule that definitely also helps me with weight loss. So between that and the jump rope, that's definitely been really good for me. I'll put the link below for the program that's helped me. It's actually, I've been doing it for about a month and I've lost about 20 plus pounds. So it's the weight's just melting off. Also down below, I'm gonna put a link where if you opt in, you get free weight loss tips. I'll give you everything I've done that's really worked and some good tips over the years. So anyways, that's it guys, just a short video. It's just, I'm gonna be back with a lot of free weight loss tips. So if you subscribe down below to my channel, you'll get a lot of free good information on weight loss. All right, thanks guys, that's it.